来，3、2、1。
Okay. After watching our factory situation, let me introduce our products. It is our excellent pulse modified sine wave inverter with different series, different features. This is our FA series inverter. Yes. Yes, this one is our FA.
Yes, this is our FFA.
Yes. Difference.
It's a series of modified sine wave power inverter with different features.
Yeah.
Okay, may I ask you what is the difference
With them?
Yes.
Okay, that is good questions. And let me tell you the secrets. The firstly, FA series inverter have different power, and they are 350 VA, 500 VA, 1000 VA, 1500 VA, 2000 VA, and 3000 VA, which can meet most of customers' base needs. And secondly, this model is the basic model. This one,
Yeah.
and with the output volt of AC 220 volt and input volt is for the DC 12 volt or the DC 24 volt. It is really only for a regular model.
Yes. So now let me introduce you another model. The second model is F8AF. Power from 350 VA, 500 VA, 1000 VA, 1500 VA, 2000 VA, 3000 VA. We can see it as an ungraded version of the first model. It has a battery reverse protection. In case of that, you can unquietly connect the inverter to the batteries. According for the feedback of the after-sales service engineers, 80% of the repair are caused by the long connection of the positive and negative terminals of the battery, which is results in the inverter being burned out. And to the anti-reverse connection functions, yes, can be very well to advise these errors. And at the same time, it also provides 5 volt 1 amp USB plugs to solve the no power problem of the digital environment safety simple grid. So now let my partners introduce you our FA series with charging.
Yes, here is our modified sine wave inverter with charging. It is the model FAC, come with built-in the 10 amp and 20 amp charger, and we have the 1000 VA and 2000 VA.
Yes.
Two sides can
model.
choose. And the first one, 1000 VA with charging. Here we have the USB. USB 5 volt and 1A, and the universal socket. Right?
Yes.
Socket. And here is the round plug.
Yes.
Can use in many overseas countries. And we also have the 2000 VA. Also have the charging and the USB 5 volts and 1 amp plug. And it is the same as the inverter before. For example, the FA series. but with more function of the charging. So that means this machine is 2-in-1. It is very convenient for our customers. So by it, you can get the inverter and a charger.
Yes.
Yes.
Very good.
You deserve it.
Yes.
Yes. And please know that the charging and the inverter of this model cannot be used in the same time, and it need to use the independent. Oh, right.
Yes, separate.
Right. That wall is also can be used, and we can see the indicator here. Here is the indicator, inverter and the charger, and when you turn, and here is the switch.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and when you turn on the switch, you can see you can use the inverter. Otherwise, when you turn it off, you can use the function of the charger.
Oh yes. Compare with the inverters of FACless, do you have another better ones?
Of course, yes. So the next one is our very special and unique model in our batteries. It's also modified sideway inverter. It is FFA series, and this one is only product. It's the only one. It's the only one we built in actual fuse and buzzer.
Yes.
And it is very convenient for us, for our user, to replace the fuse
Yes.
once.
Yeah.
Yes. When the inverter is burned, and we will know how to. After my introduction, and all of you can know how to use it.
Yes. We can checking for the locking of the inverter. It look very similar to FA series. Yes, they are very similar.
Yes.
But some function are little different.
How?
Yes, FFA series have 350 VA, 500 VA, and 1000 VA. They are all the option of input voltage is DC 12 volt and DC 24 volt, and output voltage is AC 220 volt. Clearly on the left side also, we can see there are small window of cooling fan, a connectors. Yes. We can we can see this is built in the extension fuse. A float inverter has battery reverse protection. The fuse will be brought if inverter are overloaded. If broken, extension fuse will be easy to replace. You no need to open, just replace in here. You can change the new one. And it costs less to repair to broken the fuse. There are the fuse option of 10 ampere, 15 ampere, 20 ampere, 30 ampere, 40 ampere. This is very normal fuse.
Oh yes, it is really awesome design and very friendly to us. And the right side, please give me this product.
Yes.
Okay. And on the right side here is the universal socket. Socket.
Yes. Socket.
Okay, and a switch. And here also have the indicator light. Here, very mini. And if we turn on the inverter, the light will show green. And here also have the USB.
Yes, 5
Also 5 volt and 1 amp.
Yes.
Yes. and it can charge from our mobile phone.
Yes.
Yes.
And may I ask what electrical appliance can be joined by these inverters? I believe many customers would like to know.
Yes. This is a good question. And all these series inverter is very easy to use. No matter it connect to the car or other 12 and 20 volt battery. It could provide home applicants with reliable automatic protection when the low power is too large. Yes, this is the overload protection. And the second one is over temperature protection. Inverter automatic protection at the high temperature. When it's very high degree, and the inverter can protect by itself. I'm sorry. Okay, hold on, please, my friend. Okay. Now we are talking about our multi protection of our inverter. Yes, the first one is the overload protection. Yes.
Over temperature protection.
Yes, when the inverter is at high degree, the inverter can protect by itself. And the third one is input low volt protection. It also can automatic protection when input volt is too low.
Yeah.
Yes, and finally, the soft circuit protection. There's many people will care about this one, and it will automatic protection when the inverter has the soft circuit.
Okay, that is all for the induction. You must want to know how a power inverter does its job in an off-grid solar power system. Let's open it and check. During to the time, we have opened an inverter in advance. Yes. Let me show you the motherboard inside. This main board and most important part of the product. Let's take a look at the power board. Material all is new, and the cooling fan. Yes.
Here.
SMTIC that will be make the service life longer. Now that we have seen inside the inverter, could you connect it for us?
Okay, let's do that.
Yes, let's connect it for you.
Yes, so take this one, FFA 1000 VA for example.
Yes, and this is a battery.
Yes.
Please check.
Okay, thank you.
Let me check the battery voltage. Oh, this is 12 volt. 12 volt. This is 12 volt battery.
拿到中间，风扇拿到中间。
Okay.
Let me see the inverter. The inverter's the voltage also is 12 volt. Please note that when you want to connect it, you must be check with the battery and the inverter, the voltage whether the same or not.
Yes.
If inverter voltage is 12 volt, the battery must be 12 volt. Yes.
Also.
Otherwise, the inverter maybe cannot work or maybe damaged. Yes. And if the inverter no have a reverse protection, before you use it, you should connect it clearly.
Correctly.
Yes.
Now we want to connect the fan and the battery and our inverter to
yes.
test.
We show you.
Yes, and show you how does it work. Okay, and cable.
Yes. I need to
Red cable and the black cable.
yes. Please help. And now we checking.
Yes,
this is
the fan is
this
can
fan. The fan is can working now in the city power.
Yes.
Yes. When it's no power, how to use? So
Don't
we
worry.
need to- yes, don't worry. We have inverter.
Yes.
Now
Let me
yes,
show you how to
say
connect
how
it.
to connect it.
The
Connect the
first
post,
one.
yes, connect the positive and negative terminal. Let me open.
This? What?
Oh, sorry. Anyone is okay.
Okay. This
Yes,
one.
maybe this one we try.
Yes, this one is better.
When you connect with the terminal, we need to know the red cable is for the red terminal, and the black cable is for the black terminal.
Yes.
Yes, and we screw it second. And the step 3, the clip is correctly to connect to the battery. And the same.
This battery is also the 12 DC.
12 volt.
12 volt.
And this one, the clip, you must be correct. Is correct. The black side to the black, and the red same in the red.
What? Oh. Okay.
Oh, we need to off it
Yes.
before we turn. When we connect it, you can see. And now we connect a fan.
Cut the power from the
Yes,
AC.
cut the power from the AC. Now we can see this is the fan socket.
No electronic power.
Yeah, no electronic power. Now we connect it to the universal socket.
Yes.
Yes, the last step is for
Turn
on the switch.
Okay. Let's open the. Oh.
Yes. That is working now. Now you see the green line of the power. That means is a popular working. If when you connect it all, you can see the red line. That means on the inverter have turned off because maybe it's overload, or over
soft
temperature.
Yes.
Yes,
The soft
must
circuit
be make it long, and it will be stopped to work. Okay, now let us turn off it.
Okay. And the cooling fan is start working.
Yes, cooling fan is start working,
Yes.
but it's very silent. Yes, cannot see very clearly. Yes.
Okay.
Now let us remove it.
Move from the other series
Yes.
inverter.
Okay, we make it. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Last but not least, our model have very special design and the color, and it is for the FA series. We all make it of the green color.
Yes.
Yes, so that we can be unique in the market. And our customers and people can easily recognize our products with our own brand and our own color. Also, we have serial color which come with the charger. So now, right now, for the FA series, we introduce all of this. And now, please let me invite my other partner, Annie and Lisa, to introduce the other series inverter to all of you. Welcome.
Welcome, Annie.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm a little bit tired.
我帮你拿一个这个东西。
Okay.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Annie.
Yes. Today, now Annie and me, I will introduce the modified sine wave inverter, FTA series and SDP series with display.
Okay. We will introduce the modified wave inverter FTA series. FTA series is the modified wave inverter, and it has different power such as 500 VA, 1000 VA, 1500 VA, 2000 VA, and 3000 VA with DC 12 voltage. And the output voltage is 220 voltage, and the frequency is 15 Hertz. If you need 110 voltage and 16 Hertz, we can do it. You can contact us. Okay, please look at two sides of the inverter, and from this side, and you can see here has the power switch, and this one is the universal socket. It can use for all kinds of the plugs, such as the 0-pin plug and British plug, and so on. And from another side, here has a cooling fan, and here has two terminals.
Okay. What is the features of FTA series?
Okay, let me tell you that. And it has the LED.
Yes.
It has the LED display, and we can see the battery capacitor percentage and the load percentage here. And second, it based on the high conversion efficiency technology. And third, it has an universal socket. It can suitable for the all kinds of the plugs. And fourth, MCU controls the cooling fan so that it can prolong the service life and save the power. Fifth, it is silent, so when you are sleeping, even though it's working, so you don't feel it.
Yeah.
So
maybe
yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, this is good for this. Many customers like this function. And sixth, it has the multi protection, such as the overload protection, over voltage protection, low voltage protection, high temperature protection, and short circuit protection.
What info can we know from the LED display?
Yeah, as we can see the battery capacitor percentage from the LED display, and we can also see the load percentage from the LED display.
Oh, if the inverter is a chicken, how do you know it?
Yes, that's a good question. And there is a buzzer alarm inside the inverter. So once any protection of the inverter is triggered, and it will disconnect the power supply and the load. So it will enter into the protective mode and remind you at the same time from the buzzer. It will have a sound, beep 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 like this.
Oh, but what do you mean of the intelligent fan?
Yeah, it like this. When the inverter reaches a certain power, the fan will start automatically. It will effectively reduce the loss. The using time will be longer. So, for example, for FTA 1000 VA, and when it works and reaches for 150 to 250 watt, and then the fan will start working. So in our life, we can use this for the laptop, computer, for the mobile phone, for the fan, and so on. Okay, now we will going to introduce another model's FDP series.
Yes. SDB series are the modified sine wave. It has a SDB 500 VA, SDB 1000 VA, DC 12 volt with LCD display, and output voltage is 220 volt and 1 USB is 5 volt 1 amp.
Yes. Also, what is the features of this SDB series?
Let me introduce them to you.
Okay.
It has LCD displays to show the battery capacities, the battery voltage, output voltage, and low power. It has high conversion effects and smart soft start function. It is a smart light. Yes.
So we can take out for
Yes,
outside.
for people with this site for house use or outside. Yes.
Oh, that's really good.
Yes, and it has the universal socket and suitable for all kinds of the plugs. And it has the MCU control. Yes, cooling fan, so it can be plugged in for the service life and the save power. Yes, can
good.
save power.
Yeah, that's very good.
That is has multiply protection such as overload protection,
Yes.
over voltage protection, low voltage protection, high temperature protection, and short circuit protection. Okay, let me look at the left side to the inverter.
Okay.
You can see there is the smart fan, science technology, and energy saving. There is different with market other type. Maybe you will, when you turn on the inverter, you can hear very big noise, but this not.
Oh, good.
Yes.
Can sleep well.
Yes, can sleep well and enjoy your
Yeah.
time. And it has an red and black terminal, which is connect the battery. Please look at the another side. It has a power switch and the USB. This is DC 501 ampere, and the loading is output socket 220 volt.
Yes. What can we see from this LED display?
Yes.
Display.
You can see the battery capacities,
Yes.
battery voltage, and the loading power.
Oh.
Yes, all you can see in this small LCD.
Oh, so we can see when it working, we can see this data here, and we know it works well, right?
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
that's good. That's good. And so, as we have FTA series and FDB series, so what are the difference between two series? Can you share with us?
Oh yes, of course. Now let me tell you the difference of them.
Okay.
When you see, yes, the color are different.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yes. And FTA series are the silvery and
Yes.
brown, and the SDB is red.
Yes, yes.
Yes, many people also like red color.
Yeah, the red is attractive. Yeah.
Yeah.
People see first by the red color.
Yes, yeah. And their voltage are different. FTA series have more watt, such as 500 VA, 1000 VA, 1500 VA,
Yes.
2000 VA, and 3000 VA.
Oh.
And the SDB series have 500 VA and 1000 VA.
Oh, so
Yes.
it has many watt
Yes.
for choose.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So next, maybe other products. My before partner Ray.
It can use for the air conditioner.
Wow.
Yes.
So good.
Yes, when summer you're very hot and you need the air conditioner, but your home there's no electronic power. You can get an pure-side inverter, and then you can use the AC conditioner.
Oh, that's very good.
Yes.
What is the application of the FPC series?
It can use for the vehicles and Yahis and the home applicants, office, patrol equipment, etc.
Oh, you can use the widely.
Of course.
Okay. As I know, our company, our factory now have a new model, FFU
Yes.
series. Also is similar like this, but it has more functions.
Oh yes.
Okay, here, let's take it here.
Check on
This
table.
a new products, and it has many functions. Okay.
Yes. Oh. Can you introduce to us
Yes, of
this
course.
new product?
This is the pure sine wave inverter FFU series, and it with the built-in the AC charger at 15 ampere and UPX function and battery reverse protection and also USB. I show you this first.
Oh, okay. That sounds very good.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, what's the features of these new products?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, hold on. So kind.
Okay, let me show you the features of this FFU series. First, it is the DC 12 voltage to AC 220 voltage. Second, the instant power is up to 2000 watt. And third, the efficiency is up to 91%. And fourth, it has the full digital control. And fifth, it has the UPX power switch.
UPS.
Yeah, UPS. So when the city power suddenly cut, if you
Oh my God.
if you are doing the file in your computer, no save. Oh, how to do? You can do it again.
Oh yes, it's very trouble.
Yeah. So if you have FFU series and when the city power cut
suddenly,
so but your computer still working, and your
Amazing.
file still in the computer.
Oh
Yeah. So this function is very good.
yes.
Yeah.
I need this function very much.
You can take one. You can buy one in your house.
Let me save the money.
And it has the multiple state protection, such as the battery low voltage protection, battery low voltage shutdown protection, output short circuit protection, overload protection, and over voltage protection and over temperature protection. And it is built in the AC charger and UPX function. And the AC charger is from the city power priority. Okay, now let's see a video first. Hello, welcome back.
Yes.
Yeah, for the FFU series, and especially it can work for the air condition 1 pH and for the 750 watt for the draft fan. Yes.
Yes, and for these inverters and FFU, this pure silent FPC series and the FFU series, they are both pure silent inverters.
Yes.
Yes. So what's the difference between them?
Okay, let me show you the difference. Okay, so let me share the difference between these two series. Yeah, for the first, and the power is different.
Yeah.
And for this FPC series, it has 300 VA, 500 VA, 1000 VA, and 2000 VA, and 3000 VA. Yeah, more power can be choose, and the DC have the 12 voltage and also have the 24 voltage. This one. And for this FFU, because it is a new product, so now we have FFU 1000 C. It means that
我们从不是它这个直播椅的数据是没显示，等一下吧，可能这一段重新再来一个。
看不到，
那是什么原因呢？
重新开始是从哪里啊？
那我先退出来了。
插掉了。
啊？
从你打开带空调那里开始。
哦，可以了吗？可以给个手势啊。
3、2、1。
Hello, welcome back.
Yes.
For our FFU series inverter, especially it can work for the air condition 1 pH, and it can work for the 715 watt draft fan.
Draft fan.
Yes.
So, alright. So this FPC series,
Yes.
and this FFU series inverter, they are both the pure silent inverter.
Yes.
Right? So maybe some friends and customers will ask what's the difference between them.
Yeah, this is a good question. Okay, let me show you the difference between two series. And firstly, and the power is different. For this FPC series, it has 300 VA and 500 VA, 1000 VA, 2000 VA, and 3000 VA, and it has the DC 12 voltage and the 24 voltage. So customer can choose what they need for this one.
More power.
Yeah. And for this FFU series, because it is a new product, and so now it has the FFU 1000C and 2000C will coming soon.
We will have more. If this series inverter is very popular in our market, we will
You will have more choose.
Yes.
Yeah. And secondly, and the function is different. For this FPC series, it has the inverter function and with the USB and with the battery reverse protection. And for this FFU, and it has the built-in AC charger. Yeah, AC charger.
AC charger.
Yeah. So when the battery no power and it can charge the battery.
Oh, that's good. I like it.
Yeah. And it has the UPX function. So even if the city power cut suddenly, and it can use if you use the computer and it still can use.
Oh, I prefer this one.
Yeah. So that's why it's better. This one
Yes.
better.
Yeah. That's all. And that's all. This tool can meet with more customers' requirements.
Yes.
So let's move on the other series inverter. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Above this,
All of these
are the off-grid inverter. Now we will introduce our another
叫他们停一下，
为什么？
就网络不行了。
网络不行。
那我们是在哪里？
我们从哪里开始？要接着开始
这个先放回去。
啊？换一下，没事啊。这个换小的。
可以吗？
可以了。
Okay. There is the signal problems. Yes. Now, right now, we are introducing our another models inverters, and it is an on-grid inverters, FTI series. Yes. This one is on-grid inverter and connect without batteries. No need to connect the battery. Yes.
Very good. No need battery.
Yes. And we have the FTID 600W and FTID 1000W, and they are this model.
Oh, it has 600 watt and
Yes.
1000 watt, right?
Yes. And this one is sell 10,000 pieces every month to the South Asian markets. For example, the Thailand, Malay, and Singapore.
Wow, 10k pieces 1 month.
Oh,
Very good.
yes.
Yeah. Oh, this is a very wholesale model, ah.
It's very useful.
So what is the features of this series?
Okay, the first one, it
Yes.
has the multiple protection, such as the anti-island protection,
Yes.
frequency protection, and overwall protection, low wall protection, and finally is the over temperature protection.
Many protections.
Yes. And the second one is it can use the specialized wiring terminal to improve the reliability and safety performance greatly. I forgot our cable. Where is our cable? No. Red cable and the black cable. Does it have the red cable or does it?
Oh, yeah.
This cable for this series is very strong qualities. Yes. And the next one,
Yes.
it has low standby power consumption and high conversion efficiency. And the cooling fan here, this model have the cooling fan.
Here.
Two
fans.
Two cooling fan. It can buy the low power and temperature. And the next one is used to the intelligent MPPT charge technology with high efficiency. And the sixth is have the parallel function. Yes.
What's the function? Can you explain to us?
For example,
Yeah.
let's take this one 1000 VA for example.
Yes.
If you need 2000 watt,
Yes. How to do?
but we only have the 1000 watt and the 600 watts.
Yes.
And you can connect two pieces of the 1000 watt and by the parallel. And yes, the power can reach 2000 watt.
Oh, that's
Yes.
good.
And if you need 3000 watt, you can connect 3 pieces.
Okay, understand.
Yes. So here.
Oh. Hey, I see here. There is a remote control on it. So what's this? And what can we see from here? Can you show to us?
This one.
Yeah.
This is the remote control. Have the LCD displays, which connects the inverter. When it works, you can see the city power voltage on this screen, and the total power generation, output current, total power generation, time, and output power from the displays. You can get all of the details from these displays.
Oh, so from
yes.
here, so we this one connected the inverter, right?
No. Here is the port. Can connect this remote. Yes.
So when this remote control connect this inverter, and we can see many of the data here, right? So then we can know how it's working.
Yes.
Okay.
So by the way,
Okay.
can you tell me how to use this inverter?
Sure. As I know, and this one, let's see this picture. This connector picture. And first,
Okay. Let me show to my friend.
firstly, one side of the inverter connect with the solar panel.
Solar panel.
Yes. And another side connect with the city power.
Here connect the AC city
City
power.
power. And secondly, it needs a two-way meter between the inverter and the city power.
Yes.
Two-way meter. Yes, this is the two-way meter. And third, no need to connect a battery. From the picture,
No battery.
yeah, no battery.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. So you can when the power is from the solar panel and to the your house. Yeah, and your house can use the power from the solar panel, and if you have more power, and you can sell to the government. Government will pay you the money.
I can earn the money by this inverter.
Yeah. So this was really good. It means that you can use the power from this inverter, and you can sell the power to your government, and you earn money.
Yes, it's very friendly and environmental.
Yeah. And please pay attention to this. Have two datas here. Yeah.
Let me do it.
There is the VOC and VMP. Can you see? Yeah. If the data of the solar panel is with the range of our inverter showed in the inverter, then our inverter can match with the solar panel.
好。 Here, yes, all of our small inverter has been introduced to my friend. And now, after our introduction, I think they have many questions about the cell. Want to ask us.
Okay.
Yes, and for example, maybe they will ask, may I take a sample to test before placing an order?
Yes, of course. Yeah, we have many types of the inverter. If which one are you interested? You can order the sample to test first. Yeah, if test good, you can order more.
Oh,
Yes.
For the charge, how to do? You pay our factory paid all. Our customer pay the shipping charge and the sample fee.
It based on which model, because there are small power and big power. The price is different.
Yes.
So which one you are interested, you can contact with us. And for the shipping cost of the sample, and customer should pay for it.
And what is the payment terms we can do?
For the payment terms, normally we do the export Guangzhou. Yes, if for the customer, when the order confirmed, they need to pay the 30% deposit to us, and the balance, 30% balance will paid before delivery. But if for the OEM order, and when the order confirmed, before you confirm the order, customers need to pay the 50% deposit.
50%.
Yeah, because for OEM, for OEM order.
It's the specialized for the other customers. For most of our, where is our market?
Our main market is for the Southeast Asia, America, Middle East, and to South American. And now we also developed for new market. So our market will bigger and bigger.
I hope so.
Sure, of course.
Hopefully. And today we introduce FA and FFA and SDB, FTA, FPC, FFU and FTI series inverter. They are the pure sine wave inverter, modified sine wave inverter, and the on-grid inverter. All of them we have in our factories. And maybe some customers will ask that there is many factories to make this and make this same inverters, but why should we order from you? Why we give the order to you?
Oh, okay, that's a good question. Maybe many new customers will think about this question.
Yes.
Okay, let me share the advantage of our factory to you and to other new customers. And firstly, our factory has a professional R&D department and new products developed from them. And secondly, we have several production lines so that all the materials and the qualities we can control well. For the thirdly, our price is competitive because we are the factory. And also, we can accept for the OEM order.
How about the ODM? ODM can do?
You can send the details to us. We can discuss. It is no problem. And fourth, we have the after sales team. And if you order our products and if you have any problem, you can send, and our engineer will check and what's the problem, how to solve this problem, and we can reply you very fast.
That's good.
Yeah. So fifth, our products it has 1 year for the warranty.
Oh,
Yes. So and we also will recommend our which model is wholesale in your market. We will also send to you. Yeah. Even though you are new in this business, you no need worried. We can help you.
to promote the inverter.
Yeah, help
And
you.
open the market.
Yeah. Sure. And from now on, our products already exported to 200 countries all over the world. So you can contrast us.
Yes. Okay. Finally, thanks a lot of you watching our live show online of this content fair.
Yes.
Yes, if you want to know more about our inverters, please contact us. Feel free. Bye.
This for the Facebook code,
Yes.
and this is you can contact us. Okay. Okay. Let's see the video about our factory and about our inverters.
Yes. I have it.
Okay, thank you.
Scan it, and remark our connection. Power. We have 350 VA, 500 VA, 1000 VA, 1500 VA, 2000 VA, and you guess we have the 3000 VA or not? You have 3000.
Yes, have. So that is the sixth model of it.
Yes. And secondly, this model is basic models with the output volt of AC 220 volt and input volt is for DC 12 volt, and it is only a regular model with the very competitive price.
Yes. Now let me show you another model.
AF.
Yes.
Let me take one to you. AF.
AF.
This is not AF.
This is AF.
This
It's okay. Yes, here.
Oh, okay.
Yes, this is AF. So now we show you this is the FA series AF type. You will be say what's the difference of before type.
What's the difference?
The power, it has 350 VA, 500 VA, 1000 VA, 1500 VA, 2000 VA, and 3000 VA. Their voltage is not too much different, but you can see it is the ungraded versions of the first model. It has a battery reverse protection. In case of that, you are incorrectly connect the inverter to the battery. According to the feedbacks of after sales engineer, 80% of the repair caused by the long connection of the positive and magnetic terminus, yes, is here. When you connect it long, if you no have the reverse protection, it will be damaged. But this inverter, it have this function, so you can really just
don't worry about
you no need to worry about this. Yes.
That's good. That's
Yes.
good for our customers.
Yes, so it's we don't worry about it will be burnt out. Yes, and the
And it's
and
very,
the yes, it also is different with other size, other type. Is this model is
have
let me see.
the USB
Yes.
or not?
No, 2001 is without USB.
Oh.
And
about
350 watt, 500 watt, 1000.
VA,
yes, and
3000 VA have the USB.
Yes.
Oh.
So if you want the USB, we also can make. Yes, just as the customer needs.
Yes.
Yes, we can
Depend
OEM.
on you.
Yes, depend on you.
Mm.
So let me now to show you the connecting. This is very important. You can see it. Yes. When we want to using solar systems, you need to connect with solar panel. Yes, and the solar controller, and the inverter, and the battery. Yes. If you connect all this one, this is the home solar systems.
Oh.
Can you see it now? Very
Yes.
clearly picture.
Yes.
Yes, you can know its connection is very well.
Yes.
Yes. And now let me show you all this one. If you want to buy, we can
Contact
we
with
have
us.
it. Yes, contact with us.
We have stock. Right?
Yes. This is the solar panel, and this is the photovoltaic
Connector.
and yes, anti-thunder protector. And this is the ground
connection.
yes ground connection,
Yeah.
and this is this connection. So when you connect it from here, you can get it a solar controller.
Oh, we have this model.
Yes, we have it. And the solar controller to the solar controller, solar panel to solar controller. And this
Then-
here still have this connector. Yes. So when it's to connect to the battery,
Connect to the battery.
yes.
Yes.
And that is the battery. So we will be from the battery to connect to the inverter. So this is one set solar system.
And then after that we connect the
Yes.
red cable and the black cable
Yes.
with the battery and the inverter.
Yes.
And then the other side we have
Is
the universal
electrical-
socket.
Yes.
This is for the AC power electronic.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this model, if you not careful, if you are not careful, you can be
you might connect the red cable to the black terminal, and the black cable connect with the black, and the black cable with the red terminal. It is very dangerous.
but this one can, don't worry it. It can be not have any dangerous.
Yes.
It
So-
just not work if you connect the battery wrong. It just not working.
Yes.
So not have any dangerous. It cannot be spoiled your inverter. So you can see the AC power
For this,
for this electrical appliance.
all this we can apply for.
Yes, you can see. This is the bulb.
Yes,
Yes,
DC bulb.
AC, no, AC bulb.
AC bulb. Oh, okay. Oh,
Yes, this
AC
is
bulb. AC bulb.
AC bulb. And this is TV.
TV.
Yes, this is the
Computer.
computer. Computer, yes. And this is the soldering iron, fan,
And the
Computer.
laptop.
yes, laptop, and the printer, and the printers, the screwdriver, and the camera, cooker,
Oh,
and
and
the
the hair driver.
hair driver.
Yes, camera, and the kettle. All of these home appliances we can use the inverter, our inverter.
Yes, yes, yes. So this small inverter really very convenient for us
Yes,
to using in the house or outside.
So now the next one, we have the update version of our FFA series inverter. Yes, and of course this one is very special one in our factory, and the only product, this product is our only one built in the actual fuse and the buzzer, and it is very good, friendly design for us, for our user. So it means when the inverter is damaged, it's burned, and the motherboard is
The fuse.
broken.
The fuse is damaged.
Yes.
Yes, we can
Replace.
open it. Yes, and replace it very easy.
Yes.
Yes, and we can check before the locking of the inverter. It lock is very
Similar.
Yes, F for FA series is very similar. Even their shape.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Both green. All green.
Yes, yes. But there are some function is really is a little difference. So if you want to choose, it's depends what you need.
And your money. And if you have more money and want a better one, you can consider our FFA series.
Yes,
because
FA series for liver protection also okay.
yes.
Yes.
And so now the next move on to the FFA series inverter. Here we have the 1000 watt, 350 watt of this.
This one, which model? FFA.
Yes.
FFA, from now we have 350 VA, 500 VA, and 1000 VA.
Oh,
Yes.
2000 we have or not?
Not yet. But if you want, we can make it. Yes.
Yes. And
And they have the option of input voltage. There is is DC 12 volt and DC 24 volt, and the output voltage is 220 volt.
oh,
We can see very clearly of this size. There have a small window. This small window is a cooling fan when your inverter is hot. So it helping cooling.
yes. And when the inverter start working, and it also the cooling fan start working.
Yes.
Big-
And yes, and we can see here this is a built-in extension fuse. Through our inverter have a battery reverse protection, so the fuse will blow if the inverter are overload. So a broken extension fuse will be very easy to replace by a new one.
Yes.
Yes. For this one, extension fuse is very convenient.
Yes.
Yes.
And no need to
No need to open the
open
cell.
the cell.
Yes.
And take
And if the repair, the cost
the higher.
will be more less.
This less.
Yes, will be less than others. And there are fuse option of 10 m, 15 m, 20 m, 30 m, and 40 m.
Yes.
And this fuse, if you cannot looking for outside, you also can buy from my company. Yes,
Okay.
yes. If you buy this inverter from us, if the fuse is broken, we can supply you for free.
Really?
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, this is good after sale service.
Yes, yes.
And
Yes.
for this content fairs, do we have the discount of our inverter? Discount.
Yes,
If-
welcome to inquiry. Now order, yes. Give me the order now.
And I will give you the better and promotion price and the discount for you.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
sure.
Hurry
This
up.
high buy must be very good price for you.
Yes, hurry up right now. And especially for this and today, we only have several minutes. And if you place the order in these several minutes, you can get the surprise price when you make the orders.
Yes,
Yes.
you can choose it. Yes, it's okay. Okay, so let us
For
show
the
you
For the other thing,
yes.
I want to
show you the packing.
Yes.
Very good packing.
小心桌子。
Yes.
Yes, you can see this is a pure sideways inverter.
Yes. This packing is
So it's very heavy.
yes. So we.
You can see this packing is very special and very strong. Yes. This is FPC pure sideways. We special for 2000 VA and 3000 VA.
Yes.
So now let us open it.
Go back.
Yes, open. Really very strong. See, have the tie it well.
Yes.
Yes.
Have the
You see,
Yellow,
this is a very thick. Thick.
very thick.
Yes, let me
packing.
see inside what they have. From the first,
2分钟，还有2分钟。
you can see this is the clip, and this clip is not the same with the modified sideway. Their clip is more stronger.
Yes.
This connect is more stronger and connect with tiny round. And you can see we have a warranty card. Yes, you see.
Yes. Before we say we have the 1-year warranty.
Yes, yes. So it is sure promise you for this. And now we can see it for the catalog. It's menu.
This is menu.
Yes, this is menu. If you don't know how to use, inside will be show you.
还有1分钟。
Have the Chinese version and
And
the
English
version.
version.
Here.
Okay, you see, still have one paper protect the sound. It's very nice. And you can see Oh,
It's very heavy, huh?
very heavy, yes. But it's a strong product,
Oh.
quality product.
Yes.
And you can see, this is a 3000 VA. And this inverter
Put in.
put in this box.
Yes.
Very special box for him. So it will be very well.
Yes, this box is the standard C carton.
Yes. So if you buy it, don't worry about it. The packing will be damaged.
Yes.
可以这样想，可以 N
This packing we still have
等他们
one
有没有
outside packing, outside
Oh.
carton.
Oh,
we have
yes.
a big carton.
Mm.
That is 4 pieces
In
for one
one
carton. Yes. So if you buy this one, so here this box already very strong, and outside still have one very strong box.
Yes.
You choose
Double,
this.
double protection.
Yes, double protection.
Okay. 还没完。Okay.
Okay. So
So no worry about our packing box.
对 yes. This let me open this clip and see. See. It's double. Yes. The clip is double.
Oh.
So don't worry about the power.
Oh.
Will be very safety.
Oh.
And the
So the overall protection
yes.
by this cable.
And this one, the cable strong. It can be using a long. It can be safe.
Yes.
Yeah, city power. So this one is very special than other type.
Oh yes. As I know, this is very popular in the Southeast Asia.
Yes.
For example, especially
Malaysia,
from Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam.
Yes. So if you buy this one, no matter how many powers you load, if your home power is 3000 watt, but this inverter is 1000 watt, don't worry.
You can connect.
Just 1000 watt will reduce the city power. You can just pay 2000 watt the city power in your house.
Oh.
Yes.
So I can earn money by other extra 2000 watt power, right?
Yes. So if you are interested about it, maybe you will be get more.
Contact with us.
Yes, get more information from us.
Yes.
Please order now, have discount.
Yes, you can order it now. Very have a special price for you.
Yes. And we have the stock, and you know the stock is limits.
Yes, if you want to order, please fast.
Yes.
可以吗？
啊？